Dr. Marvy, why do I keep adding belly fat even though I eat healthy? So I hear this all the time. You're doing your best. You start your day in a rush. You have oatmeal in the morning. You don't take soft drinks anymore. So you have some fruit juice at work. Then you have a proper dinner at night. Maybe some brown rice with vegetables for dinner. Yet that lower belly keeps expanding. You don't understand it because everything you have eaten is supposed to be healthy. You've probably blamed age, stress, or slow metabolism. But there's one quiet hormone running the show behind the scenes: insulin. Today we'll unpack how this one hormone controls fat storage, how your daily habits may be keeping this hormone high without you realizing, and how to reset it so that your body finally lets go of that stubborn belly fat. Insulin's main job is simple: move sugar from your blood into your cells, where it's turned into energy or stored for later. That's sugar from food. All right, that's a good thing and it's very necessary, but it's a good thing only when it happens in moderation. However, when insulin stays frequently elevated from constant eating, poor sleep, stress, then your body does not get the signal to burn fat. It's like leaving the, how will I put it, the store fat switch turned on all day. All right, after a meal, naturally your blood sugar rises. All right, so your pancreas releases insulin to help clear the sugar gotten from that meal from the bloodstream. Some of it is used right away, while the rest is stored as glycogen for later use. When insulin levels drop in between meals, your body starts to break down glycogen for glucose and eventually would use fat stores for fuel. That's the natural rhythm. It stores, then it burns it. But if you're continuously eating, all right, or drinking stuff that contain calories or sugar and all of that, then insulin never gets the break that it needs. The body stays in storage mode, and most of that storage will show up around your waist. You will now have belly fat, all right, a lot of belly fat. What keeps insulin high even when you are on a healthy diet? Number one, I already mentioned frequent meals and snacks. Every time you eat even healthy snacks, all right, and not just carbohydrates, food generally, insulin rises. All right, so if you're always grazing, eating throughout the day, this will keep insulin on a constant high. Secondly, if you are eating refined or quick digesting carbs, foods that have had their fiber removed, like bread and pastries made from white flour, sweetened cereals, quick oats, even fresh juice, can cause sharp blood sugar spikes. The higher the blood sugar spike, the higher the insulin surge, all right, and more likely your body will store fat. There are also some hidden sugar sources that are supposedly healthy, like low-fat yogurt, granola bars, even honey. All right, all of these can push your insulin up. Natural does not necessarily mean harmless. Your body still processes those sugars the same way. Chronic stress and poor sleep. Stress would raise cortisol, which is your stress hormone, and cortisol will make your cells less sensitive to insulin. That means your pancreas has to release even more insulin to get the same job done. So poor sleep does the same thing. Even one bad night can reduce insulin sensitivity by up to 25% the next day. And this is science. Research backs this up. Studies have shown that people who reduced refined carbs and spaced their meals saw improved insulin levels, lower triglycerides, and had smaller lower waist circumferences. Another study has found that eating high fiber whole grain meals led to smaller insulin peaks compared to refined versions of the same meal. Even a simple 10-minute walk after meals lowered insulin response significantly. Now, let me show you how to start controlling insulin starting today. Choose the number of meals. It could be 1, 2, 3 proper meals a day and stick to it instead of snacking here and there. Then use what I call the 1, 2, 3 plate method: 1 portion of carbs, 2 portions of protein, and 3 portions of vegetables. The next thing, cut back on juices of all kinds and sweetened drinks. Choose water or unsweetened tea instead. The next, take short walks after meals. Even 10 minutes walk would help your muscles to use up more sugar. Sleep 7 to 8 hours each night. This helps your insulin sensitivity. Then manage stress intentionally. This could be simple breath work, prayers, 5 minutes quiet time. All of this will bring your cortisol, that's a stress hormone, down. Small consistent changes beat extreme diets every single time. Let me repeat this. Small consistent changes will beat extreme diets every single time. If this helped you understand your body better, hit subscribe and share this video with someone who is trying to lose belly fat the hard way. And join the Ask Dr Marvy community. The link is in the description, where each week I break down one real life question like this with science-backed answers you can use immediately. Your health journey just got easier. Let's do this together.
Ask the questions, find